Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a phishing shop MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the MLO, we just need to click on this TabX link. After that, click over here and get the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the MLO which we just installed into our FiveM server. The location of the MLO in the map is over here, as you can see. So now let's get inside the MLO. So okay, this is the phishing shop which we just installed, as you can see. Here you will see all the equipments and gears for phishing, and this is a counter area of the phishing shop. And over here, this is the exit of the shop. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.